Welcome to the Ecu-Line Track and Trace BackOffice model instructional video. The model was designed for Ecu-Line offices and Ecu-Line agents who are not on our in-house ERP application Ecu-Tech. The system allows you to update the track and trace status for shipments arriving at and departing from your CFS. To gain access to the back-office model, go to our global website www.eculine.net and click on one of the track and trace links. You are now on our global track and trace model, where our clients can track their shipments, including the events you will be updating through the back-office model. Click on the link on the right-hand side corner of the page to access the back-office login page. If you do not have a login, click on the Request Login link. Fill out the form and hit Send. You will be advised by mail once your login was activated. Updating the milestone events for your import shipments. Once you are logged in, the system is by default set to search on an import container. You can also search your incoming shipments on house bill of lading number. In both cases, the system will give you all shipments loaded in the same container, advising you the vessel and region, expected time of arrival, container number and service type. If the advised expected time of arrival is not up to date, you can modify it by clicking the calendar button and select the correct date. Once the vessel has arrived, you are required to update the actual time of arrival and at the same time advise the planned destuffing date. Once the container was unloaded, you must fill in the cargo destuff date. On shipment level, there are 3 milestone events you should update. The date of the arrival notice was sent, the date you released the cargo to the customer, and the date the cargo was delivered or picked up from your warehouse. To update a shipment, click on the Edit icon and fill in the dates known to you at that point. It is very important that all dates are entered in the correct format: day/month/year. After filling in the dates, always hit the Save icon for each shipment. Do this for each shipment you want to update. In case a shipment is missing, you have the option to add a shipment. At the bottom of the list of shipments, you can fill in the missing house bill of lading number and hit the Add New icon to add the shipment to the list and to the track and trace. Updating milestone events for your export shipments. The system requires a container number. This means you can only start adding your export shipments as soon as you have the definite container number in which the shipments will get loaded. As the system defaults to import when logging on, you need to select export when updating or adding your export shipments and milestone events to the track and trace. First, always search on container or house bill of lading number to make sure the shipment is not available in the system yet to avoid duplicates. If nothing is found, you can add your shipment by first filling out the vessel details. Port of loading and port of destination. Container number and service type. Only after adding at least one shipment, these vessel details will get saved along with the shipment. For adding a shipment, fill out the house bill of lading number, date the booking was created, date cargo was received in your warehouse, and finally number of packages, weight and volume. Hit the Add New icon to save the shipment. Do the same for all shipments loaded in this container. Once the vessel sailed, update the actual time of departure. When the original house bill of lading was issued, you can also update this to track and trace by filling in the house bill of lading issue date on the shipment. Click the Edit icon, fill in the date, and hit the Save icon. Please do above consequently for all your shipments you handle with Ecu-Line. In the near future, we will be adding a download and upload function through Excel to make things even easier for you. This was our Ecu-Line track and trace back office model instructional video. Thank you for listening.